There, you can go to town, darling.
Kathy, you gotta see this kid. Oh, she just like this. Hilarious.
What's he doing outside? Oh, yeah.
There she goes messy again. Hi.
She's like, what's with the crowd?
Got all these people looking at me. What the heck?
What you got, honey?
Poor little girl.
She doesn't care.
So eat it.
There, look.
I'll examine it first. Oh. There we go.
There you go. Is it yummy? Grandma.
Here, we'll do this one.
Oh, I already got, wait, I got this one.
Grandma,
Wait.
look at what's in this cup.
What's in there?
Germs.
She is.
Okay, I'm all done with my ice cream.
Good girl.
So now what?
Now I'm gonna go play.
Well, what about Rihanna eating her cake?
Where's Angela?
I'm not.
I
Angela!
think she's doing my
Are those good?
What? She isn't going nuts like she, I think, like she did yesterday.
Not a lot of frosting.
Different things. Ooh. Angela, where are you?
She's upstairs, honey.
Mmm.